Hi everyone, I'm Mary Nash, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI to help you discover high-quality open educational resources, or OERs. This video will help instructors learn more about how AI tools can help alleviate some of the burden of searching the abundance of educational content available online. To begin, we'll use Microsoft's Copilot to locate OER materials. We have chosen Copilot for this example because it has real-time access to the internet, whereas other generative AI tools may not. To access Copilot, open a browser and navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. We will start by using a general prompt to find open educational resources for an environmental studies course. In the bottom box, enter the prompt. You will see that Copilot returns a list of general educational resources from well-known government agencies and educational institutions. The links provided will take you to websites that offer a wide variety of free online courses within the general area of environmental sciences. You can browse these resources for ideas for lessons and assignments for your own course. But a few might require you to create a login account. Also, be sure to read any copyright statements or Creative Commons licensing before you decide to reuse any content. Even though the tool might indicate that the source is an OER, it's always important to verify. If you want to locate materials to include more specific topics, themes, ideas, or material types, changing your prompt can help the AI tool locate more targeted resources. For example, in our second prompt, we'll focus more specifically on sustainability. You may notice some repetition in the results compared to the previous prompt. However, there are some variations. In this case, number 4 on the list is not an OER. In fact, it's aimed at individuals who want to bolster their credentials, and it includes a paid tier for enrollment. The wording you use in your prompts can make a big difference in the type of results you get. Using more specific language can help narrow and focus. For example, if you're looking for OER materials to use on a particular topic within your course, it can help to make your language more specific. Let's look at the results from the following prompt. Locate free, open educational resources focusing on the effects of physical pollutants on the ocean for a college-level environmental studies course focusing on sustainability. You'll notice that while the results are much more focused and include a link to an Open University course and one from UCLA Extension, the UCLA Extension course is not an OER, and nor is it free. Occasionally, the AI tool will indicate your source is an OER, but when you look more closely, you will see that it's a paid tool or software package, so remember that you should always double-check your results before you use them. Continuing to adjust and experiment with the terms you use in your prompts can significantly change your results. Even if the words you use in your prompts make sense to you, the language you use may sometimes confuse the AI tool. For example, let's look at a prompt on locating OER videos on sustainability. In this case, the AI tool responds with 2 links to videos on the sustainability of OERs, rather than OER videos on sustainability, and 1 link to a video addressing environmental sustainability on YouTube. To avoid confusion, we will simply use another prompt, locate videos on sustainability. The more straightforward prompt gives us better results, but not necessarily OERs. You may find that very specific and narrow prompts yield the best results, but other times, more general language is more effective. At this point in the development of generative AI tools, finding the right information can be an exercise in trial and error. But as you become more experienced querying the tool, you'll get a feel for how the AI is interpreting your prompts, and you'll become more adept at modifying the language you use to obtain better information. So remember that using an AI tool to find OER materials is a good starting point to help you navigate the ocean of available educational materials, but you will still need to verify the accuracy, authority, and relevance of what you find. If you have any questions about using AI tools to locate OER materials for your course, please contact us at the Office of Online Learning at online.learning@nscc.edu. Thanks for watching.